Hello everybody, welcome back to The Budget Bartender. Today we have an exciting video. So this video is for my daughter Desi. She had asked me if I knew any cocktails that use rosemary because she has a lot of rosemary growing in her garden. I told her I would look into it and see what I could find out. And this is the idea I came up with. Yeah, just using a rosemary simple syrup. It's pretty easy to make. Hope you enjoy it, Desi. So this is gonna be a fun video, so I'm excited. So here we go. So today I'm going to be making two cocktails using a rosemary simple syrup. Actually, it's going to be a blackberry rosemary simple syrup. The simple syrup is easy to make. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, so it's 1 cup of water, 1 cup of sugar. I think I used 1 cup of blackberries, and then you can do 2 or 3 sprigs. I did 2 sprigs of rosemary. I'll put it in the saucepan, bring it up to boil, stir it until the sugar dissolves, and then let it simmer for let it steep for 20 to 30 minutes, depending on how strong you want your rosemary flavor. And this is going to be my first time trying it, so it'll be my first time making these cocktails, so I'm pretty excited about that. My first cocktail is going to be called a Rosemary Blackberry Limonata. There's a couple ingredients that I'm changing on it. I couldn't find the Limonata, so I sort of made my own, and it was just, if you have the soda stream, I just did carbonated water, lemon juice, and just a little bit of sugar. Made it however you would make your lemonade, so I just made it how I would like it. I've never had Limonata before, so I'm not sure of how lemony the flavor is, or if it's like a seltzer, which seltzer is like really skimpy on the flavor. So, but I made mine more lemony, so it's just because I wanted to taste like lemonade, but have it carbonated. So I did that, and then our second one is going to be a blackberry rosemary margarita. That's going to be our second cocktail. So I'm excited to try these. Never made them before. So let's get to seeing what happens. So for the Rosemary Blackberry Limonata, the recipe I found called for vodka, but I'm going to use rum. And usually I would use Baku. Today I'm going to try something different. I'm going to try the Plantation 3-Star. That's a white rum. I have a large bottle of it. I'm going to be using the Plantation 3-Star. Then this is my carbonated lemonade that I made. Blackberry Rosemary simple syrup. So the Plantation 3-Star rum, it's a Barbados, Jamaican, and Trinidad rum. This is a pretty good light rum. This has added sugar in it. This has a little bit of sugar in it. This has a lot of sugar in it. So I'm taking it that this drink is going to be pretty sweet. But we'll see. Let's see how this turns out. So I'm going to be using a Collins glass. And what we're going to do first is add a little bit of ice. So I'm going to be using 1.5 ounces of Plantation 3-Star white rum. Let's go with 1 ounce of the Blackberry Rosemary simple syrup. And then we're going to top it off with carbonated or sparkling lemonade. Let's do 3 ounces. Let's measure it out. Let's top it off with a little bit more ice. Let's give this a little stir. Let's garnish with a few blackberries. The Rosemary Blackberry Limonata. Cheers. Okay. I see what you're doing. Yeah, I think that rosemary adds it's not strong. You get a hint of it, and it's not very rosemary forward. Definitely taste the rum. Definitely get the lemon juice or lemonade. Pretty refreshing. This would be great in the summertime, which it seems like I've been making a lot of refreshing drinks lately. But anyway, yeah, you definitely get the flavor of the rum. And it definitely would be different with vodka. So I think all the other flavors would probably shine through more because vodka really doesn't have much of a taste when you put it in a cocktail. But yeah, this is pretty good. Yeah, really enjoy this. So the Rosemary Blackberry Limonata. All right, so for our second cocktail, we're going to do the Rosemary Blackberry Margarita. So we're going to be using Hornitos tequila, the Rosemary Blackberry simple syrup, lime juice, and Naranja orange liqueur. So let's get to making it. So let's get our shaker tin. Let's do 2 ounces tequila. No, let's do 1 ounce of our orange liqueur, 1 ounce lime juice, and let's do a ½ ounce of the simple syrup. So let's add ice. Let's add a little bit of ice in our glass. Serve this over the rocks. Let's pour. Add a couple blackberries as garnish. And there you have it. The Blackberry Rosemary Margarita. So let's give it a taste. Cheers. Oh yeah. Yeah. Wow. You got so many things going on in there. Tequila, orange, rosemary, blackberry, lime juice. It's just a nice, man, got a lot of flavors. That's a great drink. I like that. That is very good, very delicious. Yeah, man. 2 great drinks that you can use. Rosemary, you can use whatever herbs, to make a simple syrup. Yeah, and you can make your simple syrup however you want to make it. You can make it sweeter by doing 2 to 1 or 1.5 to 1 of sugar to water. But this simple syrup this is delicious. So if you ever get a chance, make some rosemary, blackberry, simple syrup. That is delicious. And it adds a nice flavor to your cocktails. So yeah, the Margarita and the Limonata. Well, thank you for watching, everybody. If you have any questions or comments, don't forget to, put them down below, and like and subscribe to help with the algorithms. Yeah, thank you for watching. I appreciate everybody taking their time out of their day to, watch 5-10 minute video of mine, and I appreciate you all. So thank you. So have a great day, everybody.